trying to help us to give us some relief. Okay, and especially the Red Cross and the Federation, ICRC. And trust me, I had the chance, I can say, to go help with them after the quake, because right after the quake, a lot of people were in trouble, and I had to spend 6 days in a hospital because my grandmother was taken under her house, under the concrete, and she had multiple fractures. Then I had to be in this hospital trying to get help, but from who? From Cubans, and I don't speak Spanish. And she did not bleed, so her case was taken away because it was not so urgent. They take care of. And while being in the hospital, I said, man, God, please, how can I be out of this so I can be able to help? Because there are too much people in need. Every day, every 10 minutes, you have about 50 people getting in for care. Then, fortunately, this day finally happened, and immediately this day happened by the help of the organization that granted me the scholarship, HELP, the Haitian Education Program, and the founder is here, and I would like to thank this man so much for this idea he has. In my opinion, this man should be the one to be sitting there, because CGI congratulates people for commitment. And just years ago, before CGI would ever maybe have been thought, this man had the initiative to see that education is not accessible in this country. I will find a way to put it, to make it accessible. And this is why I get my chance. And this is why I could be educated. I could have the chance I have, the tools I have to go to the university and perhaps to be there tonight next to the President, Bill Clinton, to talk about my life. Thank you very much.